You are the love of my life. I can't live without you. I can't breathe.
Wait first. Before you go. Listen.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe
You dey hear am?
without you.
That's 100,000. You dey hear am?
I exist.
Eh? Listen. Go and date your sister. I will date her.
Go and date your sister.
I will date her.
Marry your sister.
I will marry her.
I'm
Leave my house.
Don't ever come. Come and open this your miserable house now. Move the house door. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Get out. So, I just send her 100K and she do this kind of thing. You might say if I send her 1 million, everything will happen. Make I send her 1 million.
Hello, brother.
Hello.
Thank you for that 1 million naira you sent me. Oh. I'm done building a duplex in the village. It's only remaining the door.
You build duplex with 1 million naira. What's going to happen if I can't give him 10 million?